Many people ask me if there is a trick to getting into the top 10% of sales. And I say, no, there's no trick. I don't believe in any of the methods and ideas of manipulating people's minds or personalities. I believe in what I call the golden rule of selling. Now, you know the golden rule, which has been around for thousands of years. It's the foundation of all religions. It says, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Well, in sales, it means sell unto others as you would have them sell unto you. Now, how do you want to be sold to? Let me guess. You would like people to be honest and straightforward with you. You would like them to tell you the strengths and weaknesses of their product or service and show you how their product or service can help you to improve your life or work in some way. You would like honest, straightforward answers, and then you'd like to be enabled to make a decision without any pressure or manipulation. Well, if that's the way you like to be sold to, then that's the way that you should sell to others. And perhaps the most important part of golden rule selling is what we call caring. Is really good salespeople care about their customers. You've heard it said they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Whenever you meet a customer for the first time, the customer is a little bit tense, a little bit suspicious, maybe friendly on the outside, but watching, because every customer has made mistakes in the past. And the first question the customer asks is, do you care about me? Do you care about me? Because if you don't care about me, why should I be interested in anything you have to say? So the very first thing you do is when you meet a person, you thank them for their time. You shake hands with them. You tell them you appreciate because you know how busy they are. In other words, you show them that you care about them as a person. And when you care about them as a person, they start to become open to caring about what you have to say. So practice the golden rule in selling. Always treat other people the way you'd like to be treated. We say you don't have to be different from who you are in selling. You just have to be the very best person that you can be. You just have to be all that you are. And when you become perfectly normal and natural and friendly and warm and listening and trustworthy, you'll make all the sales you want.